also how to go Thi Lo Su Waterfall, the biggest waterfall in Thailand. And I'm gonna show you how to go there, but I'm gonna start at not Bangkok because I drive so far already. And I'm gonna show you how to go there. Like easy. People say it's so difficult to go there, but if I want to go there, nothing difficult, nothing hard. I can make it. Okay, see ya.
Why do I feel so small? I don't know. So I walk into the dead of night where my muscles.
Now I'm at Sukhothai, city of historical. So beautiful. It's similar Ayutthaya. Before we going to the waterfall, we also pass Sukhothai, and I want to show you how beautiful Sukhothai is.
I don't know who I am. Always do the same and not to play my lost control again.
Now we going to Thi Lo Su Waterfall. It's in the halfway. Let's see it's gonna dangerous like people say or not. Okay, hopefully I'm safe. I'm survive. It's the place like crazy road. Road is up, and when you stop motorbike, and motorbike will go up, not go down. Okay, we're gonna start here. Here.
I take off.
Kind of like out there, take me home. So I walk into the dead of night where my muscles like to hide. Chaos feels so good inside, no. So I walk into the dead of night where my muscles like to hide. Chaos feels so good inside.
Alright, we already halfway. This 1219 sharp curve. We're gonna take a break in my mom town. The road's so dangerous, and you should not drive at night because no light. Also, sometimes the road wet, sometimes dry, you know. You have to be careful so much. I will show you guys how the road look like. Now I'm halfway. I tell my mom I'm here. No!
ตอนนั้นจะปั่นเริ่มเป็นยังไงนี่ปั่นได้สี่รอบก็
Guys, I have no idea how we survive. I can't do it.
I'm going under it this time. I feel there's no one to save me. This all and nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, just somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda
water too strong. Okay, all day long. You know, if you want to travel like this, it's not easy, guys. Let's see how my new episode gonna look like. I think this EP is the longest EP I ever do before. Yeah, and also amazing. I never expect my trip gonna be amazing like this before. Yeah, people really welcome me, and today I spent time in the river like 5 or 4 hours. Wow. You need a lot of energy.
I'm losing my sleep. Please calm me down. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless.